All right, today's report is brought to you by Physical Org. Yeah, and basically, you can see the title there. That's where we're getting this information from. Researchers identify new bacteria and viruses on human skin. This is only like a one long page report. There are places that you can click on, everything else on there. It's just basically, just got to break it down a little bit on here so I don't keep it too long. Like I said, you can go to physics.org and bring up the report on there. But the European Bioinformatics Institute, along with the National Institute of Health, National Human Genome Research Institute, the NIH, National Institute of Arthritis and Muscular and Skin Diseases, and colleagues have identified new bacterial and fungi species, as well as viruses in the human skin microbiome. Basically, these are all new. They didn't know about them. Yeah, maybe that's why some of their things don't work, or we're getting all this stuff coming out here. As basically, they had 12 healthy volunteers, and they took 594 samples from various skin surfaces on the 12 healthy volunteers and combine it with traditional laboratory cultivations, they're able to break down and discover these new things. And there was diversities in it, basically. And let's see, on the diversity of the skin microbiome, they discovered thousands of viral sequences, including many jumbo plagues, however you want to put it, and very big viruses that infect bacteria, most commonly on the surface of hands and feet of the volunteers. So did you catch that? These are bacteria. Well, they found the viruses that infect the bacteria. And once the bacteria get into the body, they create other things, like possibly what was going on now. Guess washing the hands is more relevant than the freaking mask, but I don't know. I'm not the expert as they're finding out they're not experts too because they're still learning stuff. So this is a good one that y'all should read and keep up with on there. I'm not going to go too in depth on it, but yeah, on the collection thing, and it does include 174 previously unknown bacterial species that get infected and cause things. Four new Urocodes, as I call them, and 20 new jumbo plagues viruses. Now, the thing about these jumbo viruses is, they're larger than 200 kilobases. That's 3 to 5 times larger than the average virus. So if you think the little virus could do some kind of harm, what do you think the big viruses could do? Yeah, that's why they're trying to figure this out. Well, all this collection and research that they've done so far, they're able to expand their catalog of known skin bacteria by 26%. But anywhere I could not find how much they knew about bacteria on the skin and all that. Were they calculating at 100% before? Now they're realizing, oh no, and this is up to 26% now. How did they come up with a number of 26%? That's another thing I wanted to figure out on. See, scientists, it's all hit and miss until they finally find stuff, then they try to put it in their theories. Um, so basically, when they finally do the further research and all that to find out what's going to go on, they will release the data. They'll be made freely accessible on the Genome Catalog in the MG data resource. If you go down to the bottom of the article, there's a place where you can actually click on the data set and they'll take you to where the stuff is. But one interesting thing is in addition to the bacteria and viruses that we normally recover, in the metagenomics, they also found 12 genes from single-celled eukaryotes. It's fungi, basically like yeast from the human skin. So now they found these things that are like yeast on your fingers and your feet. Yeah. So I don't know. Should we be scared? No, but I would look into this a little bit more, do your own research on it. Like I said, I gave you the link to go to, read it, and come up with some stuff and dig in a little deeper, because this may be a new thing coming at you in the future. And of course, they did post this on January 4th, and it is on physics.org. So go check it out. Do your own research. I will say on here, when they did the 12 healthy suspects, they were from North America, which I couldn't find why they're doing North America, but they're going to do the rest of the world eventually also. So these guys are in the UK and the Europe, but yet they're testing North American people. So, and there's quite a few other articles here on the right if you go to there, but man, I'm not going to mention them all. I'll go ahead and let you look at it if you want to do your research. But it's pretty interesting stuff, and it's probably going to be bringing up stuff in the long run. Who knows? Maybe one of the genes that they found is the zombie gene. Be ready, because you just never know. And remember, tell your loved ones you love them, because you don't know what's going to happen in 5 minutes to 24 hours. I'll catch you next time on Lighthouse News. Y'all be safe now.